So done with the shoot for the day, and now we have come to get some petrol in our car, and after that we'll be heading to. I am facing some problems with my full कर दीजिए भैया. So I am facing some problems with my mic and I bought it some time back, लेकिन अभी मैं GoPro के साथ लगा के कोशिश कर रही हूँ कुछ रिकॉर्ड करने की, तो उसमें कुछ साउंड कैप्चर नहीं हो रहा. So I will go to the shop from which I bought it, and then I'm very hungry. भूख लगी है, उसके बाद कुछ खाएंगे. So see you guys at the shop. So I remember that I told you in last video that I will be capturing Java, but Java का problem ये हुआ कि मैंने उसका walk through तो कर लिया था and I uploaded the video, but अभी उसको test ride लेने के लिए I have to write to their marketing team or their corporate office team, and I did, and it's been 1.5 weeks, but I did not hear anything from them. So I waited for their reply so that they can, you know, just give me a go ahead to go and take the bike out of the showroom and shoot it for my YouTube video. But I did not hear anything from them, so I'll just wait for them to reply, or else I'll capture them whenever I can. I will keep a follow-up of that. But right now, I wasn't able to get my hands on Java. So I've reached the showroom. Let us go inside and check out the bike. So this is Royal Enfield Trials, and Royal Enfield Trials is exactly same, I would say approximately 90% same as Classic 350. So Royal Enfield की जितनी भी नई बाइक्स आ रही हैं उन सब के अंदर ड्यूअल डिस्क विद ABS आ रहा है, and this bike is also no different. इसके अंदर भी ड्यूअल डिस्क विद ABS है, and also this fuel indicator is there in this, so which is a good thing. But fuel indicator only tells you about when your bike goes on reserve, you know. So anyways वो तो पता लग ही जाता है जब बाइक रिजर्व पे जाती है, but still it is a good you know kind of reminder. जैसे आप बाइक स्टार्ट करोगे तो पता लग जाएगा कि it is on reserve, so that is good thing. So mirrors are a little bit different than the Classic, and of course the tank is taken or inspired from Interceptor 650. This bike is Trials 350, so the color is red. The other one is coming in blue. I think it is blue, the 500cc one. So the engine remains same, which gives 20 PS of power with 28 Nm of torque. The major differences you can say is in the seat. सीट सिर्फ एक ही है, पीछे यहाँ पे लगेज के लिए जगह दिया है, लगेज रैक है, एंड अगर इसको निकाल के अगर आप पिलियन के लिए सीट लगाना भी चाहेंगे तो भी यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, बिकॉज इसका एग्जॉस्ट है वो काफ़ी ऊपर है. सो यहाँ पे पिलियन के लिए फुट पैग्स लगाने मुश्किल होंगे, सो इट वुड बी डिफिकल्ट फॉर अ पिलियन टू सिट ऑन दिस. एंड ऑफ कोर्स इट्स ऑफ रोडिंग बाइक, सो मे बी यू कैन यूटिलाइज दिस फॉर योर लगेज itself. So as I said, exhaust is of course upswept, and apart from that the rear fender is also a little bit up, as you guys can see, because it is an off-roading bike. So because of that these changes have been done. Also as you guys can see that this side they have also given this number 48 here on display. So this number, actually let me tell you guys that ये बाइक के साथ नहीं आता है, it is a separate accessory. So अगर आप इसको लगवाना चाहेंगे तो of course it will cost you more. So ये वाला जो है this number here says 48 because this Trials is a relaunched bike. This is Royal Enfield is relaunching it because it was earlier it was a very famous bike in 1930s and 40s, and it won a lot of prizes as well for them. So that is why they have relaunched it, and 48 is the year that they have put over there to celebrate that time. Apart from that, this looks quite fine. These colors over here, this draws your attention because here it's very simple. There is not too much of color happening, but this definitely draws your attention a little. I am not able to see 500cc model over here, but I'm sure it could also be this red would be, I think, replaced by a blue color. And yeah, I think that is it about the bike. The bike has the same thumb as the Royal Enfield Classic, so there is again no difference in it. So let us see how it sounds. So here we go. Alright, so it sounds exactly like Classic 350. Company is claiming that it has lesser vibrations, but वो तो टेस्ट राइड के बाद ही पता लगेगा और यूसेज के बाद पता लगेगा कि इसमें वाइब्रेशंस कितने कम हैं, बिकॉज राइट नाउ आई डोंट थिंक आई कैन टेल फॉर श्योर वाइब्रेशंस कम है कि नहीं है. But yes, this is about the bike and it is a pretty looking bike. So guys, that is it about bike Royal Enfield trials. Do let me know in the comment section below if you are liking this bike or if you're planning to buy this one. Also, I did go to the shopkeeper to sort out my mic and he has kept the mic with him and he told me that he will check with the company and let me know as to whatever is next, whether there is some problem in the mic or if something else has to be done with it. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated about that, and I would just say that have a happy weekend and drive safe and wear a helmet. Take care until next time. Bye.